Alright, guys. I know I'm a little late. Alright, so today there wasn't much news, and let me clean all this up real quick on these charts. So yeah, we can see there wasn't really much news. Let's go to the 1 hour, and yeah, no, let me fix this one too. Oh no, this one's not moving right. Is it moving? It's on daily. 1 hour. I'll be watching this. So yeah, I'll be watching that on the 1 hour too. All right. I know I'm a little. Hold on, let me get my phone out. Late. Then we're gonna do a little top down. I'm not gonna review my charting because I don't think I'm gonna trade today. I mean, it's already too late. There's no point. And yeah, I just don't want to take a trade today. I'm not in the right delivery for it. Alright, let me just review it a little bit. I'm gonna skim over it. Alright, dollar. Start from the daily over here. We have the inverse too, and the CB, and then the order block on the 1 hour. Pretty nice. Euro, yeah. That buy side liquidity, SMT, BISI created too, and just a unicorn with discount. Dealing range there. GPU USD still in the CB. If we get above the CB on the monthly on GU and we make it an inverse, then I'm fully bullish. I won't lie. And if we disrespect equilibrium on Euro and we continue, I think I'm gonna be fully bullish from the weekly range. So yeah, I've seen that. And SPX, I think we're gonna reach the all July highs for SPX, and Nasdaq probably the all-time highs if we continue at this pace. But I would have liked some sort of retracement back down. But yeah, no, I got everything down right. So yeah, there. So yeah, there we go. Alright, now let's go do a quick top down on here. I'm gonna start off on NQ, then I'm gonna work my way down back to XPX. So start off with the SMT chart. SMT chart, we can see pretty much we had SMT here from the weekly. It's clear as day. Oh, it's on the daily, I forgot. Clear as day. Yeah, no, it's pretty much clear as day, you know. Nasdaq has yet to get these highs. Yeah, yes, already did. So clear SMT. Euro USD, same thing with Euro, pretty much, again, and GU, of course. So two areas where we have SMT, both of those. EU is weak, GU is strong, so we're going to continue to watch, see if we can get any cracking correlation, and we're just going to wait for that, honestly. And on the daily here, we're above the consequent encroachment of the BISI and the consequent encroachment of the premium wick consequent encroachment. So to me, you know, if we hold above and we close above, to me, I think we're still going to be a little bit more bullish. And that just goes to show, you know, we're going to be bullish. But, you know, you can see we use it as an inversion to push price higher. If we go to the 1 hour here, we had a negative 1 hour order block that was holding eventually, but then we created a buy side imbalance inside of it. We used it as an inversion to push price higher. And I think that was a good indication for us. And then eventually the 15-minute BISI was holding from, this is Friday. So Friday's a little busy, and probably could have found one inside of here. And then around 9:30, this big opening came in, had a retracement, and then we rallied. So, you know, there was a CB here, got disrespected, and then we rallied. That should have been your confirmation. And actually, the previous week high should have been your buy side objective if you were to take longs. But I think we're still yet to reach it. So another objective would have been consequent encroachment of that wick on the 15-minute time from here, and I think it would have been a good area to target, yeah, since it is pretty long, and it was a news candle injection that price has to reprice to. So that's pretty much it for Nasdaq. I do expect us to come up here maybe, and then we took out the all-time highs for summer. So if we want to continue up, these will be my next objectives right here. And that's what I mean, SMT. So if SPX continues and we take out that high we are aiming for, which is this one up here, the summer highs, then of course I can see that happening. And then if we get to start to see that movement lower for NQ, then of course I'll be, you know, looking for shorts. But until then, I'll probably be bullish for the indices until we get that hot time high for SPX from the summer highs, I mean. And then of course NQ all time highs if we go up there. But let's go to Dixie. What do you think of my Discord? I think it's getting there, you know, you need to keep working on it. Let's go back to Dixie now. In the previous week low, you can see that there was the new week opening gap here was not, you know, was not there. Not there at all. The Sibi left unfilled. Institutional infantry drill. I was aiming to be bullish if this got respected, and we were holding it, but Friday, we just ran right past consequent encroachment, and then eventually we opened up, and now we're getting below it, and then we're below that discounted wick on the weekly here with the equilibrium. So we're waiting to see, if we go and aim for this sell side liquidity right here on the daily time frame. So it's kind of what I'm watching. And then eventually on the 4 hour, we had a Sibi, a breakaway gap, and then we had a 4 hour order block that was left unfilled. So to me, it just seems like we're extremely bearish. We even left the Sibi here unfilled. We had another one right here, but I always want to see the first one filled up. And again, this one was left on. It was filled up, and then eventually we dropped. We take out this low. Now we're just kind of inside of the range. Nothing I can really see here. So my sell side objective for internal, and then my internal sell side buy side objective. Again, this is where my full objective is for the week. So we're watching Power 3 on the week, how it forms, and yeah, we did have a little market structure shift there since it was going up, then we came back down. Euro USD, Euro, again, buy side, same with dollar, really. We had a breaker here for him. I did say it was a little daily order block, but on the lower time frame, it's a breaker. And I think that was a 4 hour busy, yeah. 4 hour busy with the daily order block or the 4 hour breaker here. You can see it a lot more clear. And yeah, no, it's kind of a unicorn. Waiting for that. We already ran through the previous week high, which is a good indication. And now we are aiming to take out this. Another objective was the discounted wick for the consequent encroachment. Let's see what this is. Take that off. Another objective was that discounted wick, this one here, on the weekly. So when you're watching that, honestly, see if we can get up there too. If we use it as an inverse to push price higher, I'm gonna be waiting for GU to take out that buy side and then eventually drop. That's what I'm waiting for. And then that's pretty much it, really. I think we're gonna continue higher. If not, take out the buy side, then we drop. But even then, it's on a Monday. I'm gonna see that for news. We have pretty much just consumer sentiment Wednesday, FOMC meeting minutes, PMI for all the Euro, and then GU, of course, and then 9:45 Friday. We don't even have much news. Hold on, let me show you. So no, yeah, Monday, tomorrow we have. Oh no, today 1:45 Bank of England government Bailey speaks, and then Tuesday FOMC meeting minutes, 60 minutes of them talking, and then Wednesday November 22, and then we have consumer sentiment unemployment claims. So second stages, 2 stages of manipulation.
Yeah.
What?
Hello.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello?
And then 3:15,
Hello, Felicia.
3:30, 4:30. We have all day bank holiday. So I don't know if this is gonna be good right here. It's a holiday, it's Thanksgiving there, and then we have 9:45 news. That's pretty crazy. We have Thanksgiving this week.
I know you do.
Thursday. That's so crazy.
That's when the Indians started it.
Alright, stop. 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 That hurts. Hurts my ear.
Hello. Ah! Wait, can you actually hear?
Yeah, I can actually hear you.
Ah!
Here, put it on. Here, for just 1 sec.
Oh my god, you scared me.
For 1 second, that's it. There, you can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello? ASMR. ASMR cup.
Alright, there, stop.
Okay, this is it.
Yeah, that's enough. Let me get back to work. Stop.
Hold on, let me say hi.
No, you already said hi.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You said hi.
I said hello.
There, that's it. There. I gotta go back to work.
No.
Stop.
Hello.
Stop, there.
Okay, bye, Felicia.
Bye.
Can I say it?
No, you already said it.
I didn't say bye, Felicia.
Yes, you did. You said bye, Felicia.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Bye, Felicia.
Alright, there. Alright. On clear Clear right here of what's high resistance being built up. You can see that clear as day. Big buy side imbalance here at 930 again, just 930 volatility injections. And then we had buy side swept, market structure shift, breaker here form. We came back, tested it, and we rallied higher now. Pretty much for euro. For daily here, let's go daily. We have a daily sell side imbalance here that I'm watching for GU. Even though we did wake up into it, I'm watching to see if it holds, and then we drop, of course. And then, of course, we made all these weekly ones inversed. So I'm gonna see, if we continue high for GU. We have a break here in the 4-hour. This kind of wick on the consequent encroachment. If we do reach down there, which I just don't expect this to be tapped into, but I'll still have it. Breaker, new week opening gap right here. Clear as day, we can come tap into it and then rally higher if we want to. And then we have the buy side imbalance with the breaker on the 1-hour here. I marked this one out because this is where the section where it was unfilled. We could have marked it out right here, but I just want the quadrant that was unfilled to make it a little bit more valuable since price has yet to redeliver into it. And then on the 15, I think we had big manipulation here because there's news coming out for it today. And then I'm going to take that buy side imbalance from Friday. It held and it pushed up. So my objective really is this right here, daily sell side imbalance, and then for euro, I just want to see it reach up to that buy side. Same with dollar, it reached to the sell side on the daily. That's pretty much it. SPX here on the daily here, you can see clear as day. We want this to be met. NQ already met the July highs up here, so SPX is a little bit lagging. And then we have the inverse on the 4-hour here to push us up. And then we have that premium with consequent encroachment. We can use it as a means to use it as an inversion. You can see that clear as day. 15-minute time frame. Oh no, 1-hour time frame. We have buy side imbalance, mean threshold of the breaker block, and it just got respected. Friday multiple times. We did close inside the buy side imbalance multiple times, and then we just rallied higher. It's clear as day. And this one has been more of a slot fest, I won't lie. It's been a little bit more choppy, just back and forth in ranges, and then eventually moves. So I would be a little bit more cautious with this one, and Q is probably the one that's more favorable for me, unless you drop on the lower time frames. So this one again, new week opening gap here. See that clear as day. Its price was just gyrating around it multiple times, and then eventually we pushed higher at 930. So that could have been a clear confluence for you, for price to push up. So put some music on, and then let's go and start. Yeah, then start trading. I don't even know if I want to trade. I'm probably gonna tape read. I should have named the stream tape reading, not even day trading. What's up, Chino? So for right now, we're just gonna watch if we're gonna reach up there. That's all I'm really gonna watch. There's like an immediate rebalance here, maybe that formed. Yeah, perfect immediate rebalance. Low and then the high of this. Perfect. You see that? It's right on the ticks. That just goes to show, we went up we went down just to go up, and it pushed price extremely fast. That just goes to show, it's very powerful on any time frame, honestly, too. Especially on the 4-hour, bro. What? On a 4-hour time frame, you doing an immediate rebalance? It's crazy to me. Let's see. I'm just looking at the phone. Make sure my dog's not around me so I don't squish her little legs. Alright, let me zoom in now. In 1 minute we're just chopping here. 5 minute. Little busy here. You can see clear as day. Right here. I'll turn my lights off real quick. Turn my light off. And what's in this? Is the music good? Can you hear it? Can you hear the music? Did she move my? I think she moved my mic. She moved my microphone. That's unfortunate. All right, so I gotta leave it like this. Just a little bit more back right there. All right. So 5 minute busy here. We have that clear as day. That can be able to push price higher, or it can be used as an inversion if we're tired of being, pushing higher. But again, here we have SMT on NQ and ES. Clear as day, NQ lower high, this one higher high on the hourly, and then eventually on this one too. This one's you can see it better on the weekly than the hourly, but I think you can still see it here. No, you can't really no more. Probably just for right here, you can see that this one's lower high, this one's higher high, just a little internal one. But as for now, I just don't even want to take a trade, especially after all this right here, 9:30, and then eventually watching just how the weekly is gonna form. Weekly power 3, especially with the Monday's range. I want to see that. I would be more interested after Monday, of course, and just that's one of my weekly goals, is to not have just impulsive trade ideas. I really want to just like take the best trades, taking less trades, but trades that are more meaningful to me. I realized that whenever I was reviewing last week's trades, I take trades, and of course sometimes I don't tell y'all because sometimes it's not following my model, and I try to catch myself when I'm not doing that, and some days I do, some days I do tell y'all I'm going to take a trade, and sometimes, I get cut at break even, and it happens, of course. And then some days, I just don't say anything at all. Some days I do, it's really just how confident I am in the model and the trade idea, and the more confident I am, the more likely I'm willing to tell you. But if I'm not confident inside of the trade idea, then of course I won't tell you. But I just realized, I was taking not too many trades, but on the 15K account funded, we're up. On the 10K, we're down. Main reason why is because on the 15K, we have not taken as many trades as we have on the 10K. And that just goes to show, the more trades you take, the more likely you are to lose without following your model and set rules of criteria. But I just realized, trading, taking a minimum of 3 trades a day, you're most likely to lose majority of the time more often than if you were to just take 1 trade a day. And it may sound cliche, it may sound weird, but this is just personally for me. You don't have to listen to me. You can, if you have your own data and your own collection of data, then listen to that. Don't listen to me. Don't be influenced by me. Listen to your own set of data and your own experiment, your own thesis. I think that's how you trade. The way you trade versus how I trade is completely different, and our mindset is just completely different too. We don't have the same mindset. But I just realized, the more trades I take, especially using, just these forex markets with the commissions, they just usually eat me up, especially on the 10K. I'm down 1.5%, while on the 15K we're up 1.5%. And I'm gonna see how many. I can just tell you. I can tell you how many trades I took on the 15K versus the 10K. On the 10K, let's see, on the 15K, I've only taken 6 trades, and 3 of them were losers, and then 3 of them were winners. My 2 losers, 3 losers. One was $1.40 for Euro USD. We got cut or break even. Another one was another loss in Euro USD. We lost 115. The first one, or the third one was NQ. We lost 127 for all those 3 losses. So it was really just like a $250 loss for those 3 total trades. And then eventually for Euro USD, we won $200 for the first trade. Second winning trade, SPX, we won $7.60. So pretty much a break even. And then for the third one, the final one, the most recent one, for Euro USD, we won $282. It just goes to show, it's only six real trades, and just taking less is better. And all 3 of those trades were all taken throughout. Oh no, two trades per 6. So 2 trades were taken each new month. So the first 2 trades were taken in September. The next 2 were taken there in October, and the next 3, and then eventually the latest one was taken in November. So 2 in September, 3 in October, and then 1 in November as of right now. So that just goes to show, and then eventually if I go to the 10K, I can't even name how many trades I've taken. It's been so many, honestly. It's pretty hard, if I'm being completely honest, because I just can't really, like, for the 15K, I'm a little bit more cautious with the trades. I just have to stick to my model, and I have to see what my model is telling me, and if it's presented, and I try to follow my trading plan a lot more with the 15K before I enter a trade, because it's a bigger account, so that means there's bigger risk. So I try to be a lot more cautious. With the 10K, it's really just like an experiment account, and I don't want to treat it like that, because I realize, if I treat every funded account like that, even if it's a lower amount, I'm going to be treating it like it's an experiment, or if it's like not a real account. And I don't want to do that. I want to treat every funded account as if it's like a real live account, like the 15K, It doesn't matter how big the numbers are. I think percentages are more important. But yeah, we've taken probably over like 150 trades on the 10K, and I can just keep scrolling. So I can keep scrolling, and it's pretty bad, honestly. I need to work on just taking less and just sticking with the 15K. If I feel the trade is viable and I can take it on both, I will take it on both. I don't want to be simply taking it on one of them, seeing if it's my little thesis for the trade idea is correct. I'm tired of that. I want to stick to my model and be a lot more disciplined. And if y'all are wondering what my model is, it's basically market maker X model with 22 model. Hopefully I know what that is. If not, then of course I can go over it right now if y'all want me to. So, but yeah, no, and then also not taking trades on days like this. I realize, taking trades on Monday and Friday are usually my worst days. Monday AM session can be a 50-50, but Friday PM session is a no-go. Friday AM session is a 50-50 too, I don't want to be forcing my hand on a Friday unless there's TGIF, of course. And if there isn't, then of course not forcing anything. So that is pretty much it, really. And that's kind of what I want to do, for this month. I want to continue to have a good win rate on the 15K and just continue to just have a good trading experience. I don't want to be forcing anything. So same with the 5K, 10K. I don't want to be forcing anything, Once you force an idea, if you're not like, the latest trade I took was a euro trade, a euro short, and that was a really good trade. It was this one over here on Thursday, 16th. I took a short right around here, right here when he came back into the SIBI, and I had a strong conviction because we swept this high right here, and we had pretty much a SIBI, and then we had another one right here. We had a little volume imbalance, but again here on the lower time frame, you can see probably we had a 1 minute breaker. We had a unicorn there. We tapped up into it, and we dropped. To me, that was a high confluence trade. We came to equilibrium, and then we made a new range. We didn't come up into a premium. We were still inside of a discount, and we left this one unfilled. To me, that was like a bearish signature, Once you have a breakaway gap and it's unfilled, that just goes to show you're going to move in that direction pretty strongly, and you're not going to most likely come up anymore. So I took the trade, and we took like one partial here, another one here, and here. And then eventually I let the runner go all the way through. My original final was right here, but then I was like, I'm gonna swing trade it. And I try to hold to down here, and just eventually got stopped at a break even, which is, to me, that was personally like a really good experience, because this is like the longest trade I've held. It was around 2 days, even if it was like a small amount, it was like 0.25 of the lot size I was holding. And, it was up like $60-$70 when we were like over here. Just trading inside of this range, and then eventually we came down here. It could have been, but I'm not gonna say it. But it was a good experience holding the trade all the way till Friday, 2 days pretty much holding it. And that built up patience, not wanting to take any more partials. I already took too many, and just letting the trade run. And just not worrying about it. Honestly, that was probably one of the best experiences. Just building the patience. And then for the MT4, we took it on GU, and we did make money on GU, of course, but it wasn't as much as euro, because GU was a lot stronger, and so it just didn't really bother to go any further. So yeah, no, we didn't make as much as the euro one. But as of right here, again, this one has a buy side imbalance too. It's more of a inverse, and then this down close candle to push price higher. So if we can come down, stab up into this, and then eventually rally. We already took this out, so I'll be waiting to see, you know, if we continue, we dig deeper. Again, here we have a more of a balanced price range, I would say, since it has two imbalances that overlap on the 15. Then we have that 15-minute buy center balance too. I think GU has the same. GU did reach into it, and then we see like big displacement down. You can see that clear as day. You know, it's 25 pips, pretty heavy. As soon as we tap the sell center balance, and then we took out the previous week high. So, you know, it's a big draw. If I was up for this, I probably would have been looking at it, but I don't think I would have been able to trade it because, so yeah, it was like in 2 moves. It's pretty crazy, honestly. Like in what, like 5 minutes, y'all just did this. That's pretty crazy. Crazy delivery, honestly. That should have been enough confluence, though. And then here we have a 15-minute buy center balance. You can see we are doing a little bit of the wicks. Are not willing to push up because of this right here. Hitting the mean threshold, you know, it just doesn't want to go above, it seems like to me. Then we have 2 down close candles. That the second one stabbed up into the buy center balance, and then eventually this one really didn't. So we're gonna be watching that, honestly, on the 5 minute, I think. On the one, we can watch it on the 1 minute. It doesn't really bother me. It's just really like for the 1 minute for me, it's like not enough confirmation. You have to build your confirmation upon the other time frames and then drop to the 1 minute. That's kind of why I don't like using the 1 minute to build that confirmation. I like having it on the other time frames, and then eventually coming down to the 1 minute and then finding the little best execution on there. Even then, sometimes you won't have the perfect execution, and that's gonna hinder your trade idea or hinder your execution because you won't enter at all because you're waiting for that perfect execution, and sometimes you won't get that. So, you know, it's sometimes better to just enter without that perfect execution, as long as you have that higher time frame or the other time frames telling you, you know, that, you know, you're going to go in that direction you want to be taking the trade in. And that's all that matters, really, you know. Waiting for too much confirmation can eventually hinder your trade. So now, yeah, we're just relaxing here. What is this? This is like the 4th week of November, honestly. So power 3 on the monthly. I'm gonna be watching to see if we create the high, continuing to create the high this week, or if we made it that last week. But again, on Euro and GU, we already took out the previous week high. So if we continue lower, to me, power 3 on the weekly is gonna feel a lot weird since we create the high on Monday and then we drop. I've seen this. I've seen it happen before, but as to how it happens, it's kind of a little weird. I won't lie, you know. The movement after, you know, and then usually Thursday we have that reversal, and Friday we close, or sometimes it's Friday, you know, it's a little retracement, then we close there. Thursday continues with the other 3 days of the week. But you know, if we create the high this week, I'm gonna be watching that, and then next week, you know, we have a little retracement, then close. I'm also gonna be watching that. But yeah, just keeping it back into my mind, the power 3 on the monthly, and then power 3 on the weekly, you know, of course, the profiles, the monthly profile and the weekly profile, just to see, you know, how the month closes off. Sometimes, you know, usually the last week can even make the high and then close. So it's really a shocking, especially what we're having right now with the forex pairs and the indices. I can't really even give you a monthly profile indication here at this point, because these later months in the quarters are just, they're really strong, you know. Some of the best months to trade are these months right now. And of course, you know, early December, late December, you're going to want to be a little bit more on the sidelines, or you can be traded. You can be trading exotics. If you really, you know, if you really want to trade, you can go trade exotics. If you don't want to take a break from trading, you can go trade some exotics. I think though, even then, I think the liquidity wouldn't be, or the volume won't be as much, since the majors are gonna be on holiday. So you can. I wouldn't recommend it though. Sometimes the spread is on those are pretty high too. I won't lie. Spread is pretty big, and that can eat you up. Same with the commissions. The commissions and spread usually eat up me when I'm trading exotics. That's why I try to stay away a little bit from exotics. Try to be a little bit more cautious. But I read a book. I read a whole book yesterday. I read a whole book, 100 and something, I think 90 pages, 95 pages. In one day, that's all I was doing. And then I reviewed the trades and started doing my research on altcoins again. It's me and these altcoins, man. So last week I started taking trades on the funded accounts Wednesday. Monday I was still on the FTMO account. Didn't get to pass it. It's unfortunate, I hate how they have that two week time limit. That's something I don't like. I wish it was more of a month. That would give you a lot more data instead of 2 weeks. If you start it up and there's like 2 weeks of like heavy news, you won't be able to take a trade. It's not gonna be ideal. So you probably won't be able to get any data. On the 15-minute time frame, the order block is being tapped into. We're still yet to be hitting the fair value gap there. So that's what we're gonna be watching here. I have a little balanced price range right here. So we've tapped up into it. Now we're coming back into it. Euro USD again, that 15 minutes balanced price range here, and then eventually the 15-minute BSC. And we are seeming to respect it as of right now. We still got 5 minutes for both of those candles to close. 4 minutes now, so it is a better approach a macro. And I'm gonna look at dollar for the 1 hour here. Dollar, I guess I see it reaching down here maybe. I don't see why it wouldn't. So probably reprice into the city and then drop. Come take these out. Continue lower, trying to reach for that buy side on the daily. So I wouldn't be against that, honestly. Same with these, coming back down and then taking these out. So what if we do change the send and delivery or the order flow? If we disrespect this and then come and tap into this and we drop below it, I want to see this lower quadrant be hit. Then eventually, I wouldn't be against that, honestly. But we do run both sides. You can see that we run through this and then we come down, tap up into it, and then we come down. This was during 5:30. See, today wouldn't really be a high probability day since it just trades both sides of the range. When it has that, especially for Euro just traded both sides. You can see that it came up, came down, came up, and then it ran through both sides. And to me, on a Monday like this, I really want to stay away. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just stay away. I'm gonna try to be a little bit, on the sidelines. I'm not gonna try to see anything, try to force anything. I'm just tapering. I'm gonna just try to work on that and just be more on the sidelines, honestly. And just not. It just doesn't look like the type of day I would want to trade, especially how the market is moving with the forex pairs. Even though we have a clear objective where we want to go and where we want to reach, it really is just how we're gonna get there. That's throwing me off. What's up, IKEA boy? Morning. But yeah, that's pretty much really the reason why I really want to take it. Again, it's not even with my model either. My model would have probably been the 22 model here. Sweep, structure shift, to come down, trace, enter, and then scale your partials out. The high up here, we never got up there. Probably eventually we will, maybe. But just how we get there, of course. Another reason why I wouldn't want to take a trade. And then eventually it's not following the model again. Just if it's not sticking with my model, I don't want to take it. I realize, I take a lot of trades without following the model, and whenever that happens, I eventually lose since I don't have enough conviction, and then eventually I'll cut some at break even. Or I'll cut some at break even and I'll try to reduce the risk since I don't have enough conviction, or it just isn't with my model, so I'm not comfortable trading that. And then eventually the trade goes in my direction, and then I just get really frustrated because I took a partial at you break even, and then eventually the trade moved and I could have made blah blah blah, and it really just a bad experience. So I'm just trying to build my experience with taking less, honestly, taking less trades, and then taking them with following the model. And even if we lose following the model, I think it's a good learning experience either way. So the 15-minute time frame, we're gonna go back up to that. So you can see tapped up into that institutional or influential drill, with the order block, so it's very powerful. This one, it kind of, I would have, I mean, yeah, kind of tapped up into the first one since it's right here. You see this low to this high with the BPR. I guess that would be your first fair value gap right here. That overlaps. It's like 4 fair value gaps right there. I guess that's kind of why price just tapped into them, rather. Crazy experience here. But London close gonna come in, and that's pretty much it. You know, and the market's gonna die down for this. Usually that's what happens during London close. See that clear as day, London close, and the market just starts to die down. The volume really starts to die down. But when it moves, you know, it moves in a clear direction. The majority of the time it just dies down around 12. You can see that. Not as a big expansion as New York, you know. So that's why I kind of want to go back to the indices after that. After 12, of course. Just really gonna watch out, see how it gets there, of course. What was this? So no, yeah, we're just rallying higher. It's a really good delivery to the upside. This one we did respect it multiple times. You see that? This one too, you know, just clear. This one had a big buy side imbalance right here, 930. This one not really, you know, you can see that. This one was repriced to a lot more than this one. So it would have been your SMT right here in the AM session, right there. And then you could have built more conviction. That would have been a good one. So we're just gonna watch this here. See if it gets respected. And this one has another one down here. So I'm just gonna want to see, honestly, what happens. What happens to price? I'm not even sitting in the center of my desk. I was like leaning to the side. I was like, what the heck? So we're just waiting, honestly. Playing the waiting game here. No trades right now, no current trades. Internal to external, external to internal. I am disciplined, patient, and stoic. So I am a disciplined, patient, and stoic trader. Pretty much what you want to repeat. That's what you want to repeat into your head before you go to sleep, you know. Put it into your subconscious mind and just train your mind to remind yourself that you're that. But no, yeah, I think we're just gonna continue probably to be inside of this range here until we get above these highs or below this low. And same for this one right here, just this high and this low. We're stuck inside that range. This one we are repricing back into the buy side imbalance for, I think, just NQ. NQ does seem to have more buy side imbalances than ES. ES probably has a small one right here, and then I'm actually, I don't know, probably right here maybe. So yeah, no, just this one, smaller imbalances here. This one has a, you know, the bigger one, so it moves faster and a lot more with volume. This one not really, you know, moves a lot more sharp. So yeah, no, just really just, so you can see the candles, they don't look too they just don't look like they have enough volume on this one. This one they look a lot better on here. But even then, you know, just doesn't look too good. Looks like a bunch of volume imbalances everywhere to me. Volume imbalance right here, volume imbalance up here, volume imbalance right here, volume imbalance right around here, right here I think, and then another one right here, big one right here, I mean. So no, it just doesn't look too lively, doesn't look too good, honestly. So just low volume in the morning session, no news today, just understanding that, I guess. It's pretty basic. Internal to external, and then external to internal. And then you want to look for a market structure shift. You can look for a change in the steady delivery, of course. so like an inversion. But I tried to like for a market structure shift. Even then, you won't get that at times, or SMT with the market maker X model, or hitting a higher time from PD array, or a sweep of liquidity. And then I'm still dropping down and trying to find it on the 22 model. That's all I look for. So that's really it. I just trade like that. I don't think I can see myself trading any other way. I just can't. I really am really comfortable with the model now since I've built my understanding upon it a lot more. So I think we're gonna continue to the buy side, probably dig even deeper. Probably for GU, get into that Cibi again. And that's pretty much it, really. I need to go look at some cryptos. I was thinking about trading more crypto. I need to start charting crypto, especially ones that are on my watch list. Just chart them and get a feel for them and what they're doing every day, And that's pretty much it, really. I'm reviewing my trades right now from last week. That's one of my objectives today. So Thursday was the best trading day. Seems like Thursday was the best trading day. So that's a good thing. It's a good indication. Thursday. Wednesday was not so good. Monday wasn't so good either, And then eventually Tuesday was a decent day, it was a break-even day pretty much. And no, actually it wasn't. I just noticed I took this trade. So Friday was it was a day again. It was like low probability last Friday for me. I don't usually trade New York. I was looking at those relative equal highs for GU, but for a while I used to trade New York, so I gotta hold myself back. Yeah, I think tomorrow will probably offer a better trading day. After all the news, of course. After all the news comes out, I think all the volume, I don't know, maybe all the volume will be dead, and then the market will be not moving as much. There's a lot of news for the forex pairs. For indices, maybe it might, have that good volume, and of course indices always have a good volume because of the stocks. So to watch and see that. I'm gonna go up a little bit on this one, 4 hours. So yeah, we can see it clear as day. On daily looks a lot better. You see that clear as day. The 4 hour, the 15. Just waiting for an SMT here on the daily in the 1 hour. Probably be the best indication. Just for anything right now. There's nothing there, you know. Nothing here for any of these. Even on the 4 hour, I bet. Nothing, you know. Everything's in correlation. Except for this right here, you know. This higher high. This higher low. I mean, this higher high, this higher low. It's pretty much the only thing. So, the 4 hour, I'm going to keep it there on the indices. Watch that. You see if NQ is weaker. Yeah, you can see that. NQ is a lot weaker right now.
I didn't do nothing. No lo pagué.
See, NQ is a lot weaker right now. You can see that. So it's about to reach up into there. All the way into that buy center balance. Daily. So we're getting up into it. About to get into it. This one about to hit that Sibi. I'll be waiting for that, honestly. So now we're getting up into that. It's nice. I like to see that. Let's go. Let's get into there. Let's get it. It's been time blocking. I've been time blocking, guys. It's crazy. Not even time blocking. It's just been 15x3 method for time. Setting a timer and doing that. I do 90 minutes of work, 20-minute break, 90 minutes of work, 20-minute break, 90 minutes of work, 20-minute break. All I do, bro. That's all I've been doing. It's crazy. It's crazy results I've been getting. Like, I don't even... I used to, like, set... like, my goals... I used to have my goals wrong. After I finished this book yesterday, like, I realized everything, you know? I just continued, you know, just continue to learn, continue to develop. But the way I was setting my goals was wrong. The goals itself weren't, but it's like the... Like, I put outcome-based goals. Sometimes, you know, outcomes you can't control, like making a certain amount of money or having this certain person like you know, those are things you can't control. So, setting outcome-based goals wasn't ideal for me anymore, and I need to reset them, especially for, like, the monthly goals or, yeah, no, the monthly and yearly goals I had. I need to reset them because I was trying to make a certain amount of money, you know, it just didn't work out. I was setting my goal standards wrong, and... yeah, don't do that. Don't set outcome-based goals. Basically, making a certain amount of money or this and that. I mean, you can, but don't set a time limit or a deadline. That's the worst one. Have those goals, but don't set a deadline. That makes it a lot better, honestly. But even then, you don't even want to have goals you can't control. So yeah. I mean, it's good to have them, but I mean, don't set a deadline if you're gonna have them. But I wouldn't recommend outcome-based goals anymore. Because it's just something you can't control. So now, yeah, we're just gonna reach up into there. Let's get up in there. This one is it's taking a while to get up in there. This was around 5. This is where the GU just see that? It's because of the news, honestly. There's 1:45 p.m. news. Mr. Gov Bailey speaks. Gov Bailey, Government Bailey of the Bank of England. Y'all know the central banks are private institutions with the government. So it's a private institution with the government. And it's made up of multiple regional banks. And it's owned, those regional banks are owned by private enterprises. So they control the economy and distribute the money. I mean, they control the distribution of the money. And it's a lot deeper, you know, than all of you think it is, you know. It's a lot deeper. I read about that, honestly. It was a good book. Like, everything's debt. That's all they use, bro, is debt. They print money, make it debt. Interest rates. Everything, bro. That's crazy. Loans. Mortgage-backed securities, CDOs, commercial debt obligations, everything. And it's pretty crazy, you know. I had no way, you know, like, to not really. I just had no understanding of how they did and what they did, you know, how they created the the money. You know how I always wondered like how did these people print money? Everybody's talking about like they're printing trillions of dollars. I was like, man, I need to do research on that. And then I bought a book. I didn't expect to like read a book about that, of course, but I bought it, and little did I know it was about the economy and like how the Fed worked. And it was like one of the books of somebody I look up to, and it was in his list, and it was like the lower part of the list. So I was like, you know what, I'm just buy this book. You know, it doesn't seem, I didn't even read it. You know, it's just one of the books that I added to my thing, and the title didn't look like it was nothing about the Fed or anything about the economy at all and how it worked. You know, it's a regular title, bro. I was like, what's going on? And then eventually, you know, I read it, and it just displayed that all of that, bro, all the knowledge. And till this day, you know, I got to review and revisit the physical copy. I need to start buying more digital books, but it's already too late. I have too many physical copies. I would recommend digital if you're gonna start reading digital. Probably buy a Kindle, and it's a lot more optimized. You know, it's a lot better. London, London question mark. I don't know what you're talking about. I need more context, but we're still, you know, we're just chopping around there on NQ. So we're just chopping for NQ, and then for the forex pairs, seems likely, you know, we're about to get up there. If this forms a breaker here, boom, get above this, that's a breaker. Probably like on the hourly or something. Yeah, probably be on the hourly. For me, it would. If we close above here and continue up, I'll probably use that if we come back down. Or sometimes we don't usually come back down to breakers. We just continue to rally. That's a strong price delivery signature. Same with breakaway gaps. Breakaway gaps and breakers, when we leave them unfilled or we don't come back down, to me that just goes to show we're extremely one-sided, and you know, we're having that the one direction that we're pushing into. It could be lower or to the downside. I mean, or higher to the upside. But that's usually a really good strong price delivery for me. Can't really see nothing here. I don't really see anything that's really truly. Probably this volume balance here. We can probably come back down to that. Or this this right here. That's pretty much it, really. Only reason I got my books digital is because I'm trying to save money. Nah, yeah, for me, nah, I can't. I think for me the physical copies were a lot cheaper. Especially the paperback. Paperback ones are extremely cheap. Sometimes hardcover are a lot cheaper than paperback. I don't know why, but when that's there, I usually take it. Or you know, especially if it's over like 300, 400 pages, I usually get paperback. Cause then the hardcover. Cause paperback, you know, with so many pages, it tends to like deteriorate over a while. So I don't really like that. Let's go see if we're gonna get up there. I think we're about to get up there. This one already. This thing about Euro, man, is just way too strong. Way too strong. Calm down, man. He's not up there yet. Still yet to get up there. Hitting the civvy, like the lowest part of the civvy, we're just having rejection for GU. Now we're about to get up there. So now we hit it. Boom. We want to see how we close here, honestly. If we continue up or if we just like reject it. I think we're going to continue up at this point. Because Euro just seems like it's strong. I don't see any downside movement from Euro. So just SMT here, I guess. Not gonna lie, ICT opened my eyes, not gonna lie. GU, the cells are calling, watch out. Nah, I'm not gonna trade today, so it happens, it happens. What does this say? Dollar falls to what? Dollar falls to the 2-month low on the Fed view. Yen strengthens. FX option is wrap short. There's no swap lines happening right now. Yeah, no, we're good, I guess. I always expected, for some reason, like last month, I was expecting us for the Forex pairs to go up, but it never happened. But now it's happening, and then I was married to the idea that we're gonna go lower. I got so used to it, but back then I was so used to like us going back higher, and it's weird, you know? It's weird. It's because it's that monthly Sibi. I think that Sibi's messing with me. I got it all backwards, honestly. I'm supposed to be taking the longs here, man, instead of going shorts. So yeah, I see the strong distribution right here. Indices we're still just respecting as of right now, you know. And you can just see that clear as day, you know. We're getting to that buy side objective on the euro. We're getting no signs of rejection, so I think we're gonna continue, honestly. You know, it all depends on how we close, of course. Pretty crazy, honestly, here right now. It's lunch session. I probably wouldn't want to trade this anyways, even though I'm not wanting to. Don't have to. Now we're getting some signs. Just looking over the trades on the different time frames. What is this? The 455, 455, 455, 455 is the rate of this candle. Yeah, I don't really see any SMT. So it's like low volume there in lunch session. Not the best, honestly, to take a trade on. Your original consolidation are here. Reaccumulation. Another set of reaccumulation over here. I guess this would be all your reaccumulation. If we continue up, that would be another set. And then probably waiting for that smart money reversal on a higher time frame PD array. This one too. Reaccumulation. I mean, original reaccumulation. Smart money reversal can happen around here somewhere, but there's no higher time for PD array for this, so I wouldn't be looking for that right now. Same with this one. Like no higher time frame PD arrays. 3-year, 10-year bond treasury. Let's see this. 10-year, US 10-year treasury yields monthly win streak in jeopardy. Gap Manchester United. Oh, what else? The resistance at Thorn and the S&P side. That's all. What, 3 days ago? 3 hours ago. I'm trying to see what the latest news is happening. 10-year treasury bond. Series what's? Oh yeah, no, yeah, we're dropping. We're dropping on the treasuries. Sibi, we tapped up into it. This one never did. It just chilled inside of it. This one clearly never did. So yeah, we're just dropping, honestly. Objective for this will probably be right here. That low. All those other relative equal lows for this one right here. This one too, this one right here. So no, yeah, it looks like we might drop for like the rest of the year if we continue at this pace. For the 10-year bonds, treasury bonds, T-bonds, we might make this inverse if we continue higher. So doesn't look too bad, honestly, you know. I won't be against that. Gold, buy center balance held. The weekly one, SIPI, we made it inversed. So mark that out real quick on the daily time frame. I do see us probably reaching the objective, honestly. It's having trouble. Correlation with dollars having trouble here. Dollar's dropping, this is dropping too. We're still, you know, holding inside of it for right now. It really depends on how we close on the daily time frame. If we do want to come down eventually, these lows will be my most prominent area to target. Since it's near the order block, so like the lows in the order block we rally. Even then though, I wouldn't really want to see us get below here in this inverse. Since we already ran through it above, I would want to probably see us hold inside of it and then come back in here and maybe start chopping and then rally. But of course, if we do want to reach down, then I wouldn't be against that. As long as we still close inside of it. We can do the wicks. Body sell, that's the story. US oil. We took out the low. That was the sell side objective. Now we're going back inside to the sell side balance. We are holding that busy on the monthly, so it's a good indication here. I'm waiting for that monthly close too. Same with UK oil, of course. US 30, we reached to that high. That's really good. This one above it is it's not even too far apart, honestly. So mark that out. You know, buy center balance we respected. Inverse respected too. After we closed, we never came back down though. We made it big busy here too. So yeah. And this one moves with a lot of volume, I won't lie to you. That's kinda why I want to stay away from it. It's a lot of volume. It's a lot of too much volume, honestly, for me. I think this one had that daily SIBI. We respected it. Yeah. Should have watched that. Especially on last week, I think. No, that's 2 weeks ago. I'm tripping. From 1 hour. This one right here. So I was watching on SPX. We never came back down it for US 30 either. We'll go back to the indices. Yeah, no, we are dropping now in Euro. I mean GU. These are rallying, continuing to rally. So it'll be my first one. If we go below this, I would be a little bit more cautious. Take this off real quick. Not a rejection block. Just leave it on the hourly, maybe. Doesn't look too bad, honestly, here. Day 14 monk mode. We're still strong, boys. Still strong. Holding up. Doing my task every day. It's pretty fun. I've gotten to enjoy it. Just enjoy the process, not the progress. Or it's the same thing, honestly. Progress, process. I don't see any difference in the words, the wording. Progress, process. But just the process, of course, is more enjoyable than watching the progress. The process of doing the thing you have to do versus the progress, you know. Like, say you're reading, you enjoy the reading. You don't want to be looking at, you know, how many pages you read or how many you've got to left to read, you know. Same thing with the gym, you know. You enjoy the workout. You don't focus on the sets or how many you got left. You just continue working. Enjoy it. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. So we're hitting that lower quadrant of it, of the Boston balance. I can mark it out for y'all real quick. Right here. So right at the lower quadrant. That right around consequent encroachment there. So just waiting here. Playing the waiting game. You usually don't want to enter around these levels. You want to wait for confirmation and then eventually the retracement. That's usually the best trades for me. And that's where you get the redistribution. Those are like the best trades, bro. And you use those reaccumulation PD arrays as inverse. Then that's like one of the best signatures of price. So like static. I feel so static sitting down all day. I don't like sitting down all day. Just really messes with my muscles. So it's important to stretch your body. But now we're hitting it. We're on the lower side of the quadrant. So let's mark it out real quick. See how there's no wicks for these candles? It's crazy, right? No wicks. All right, here's wicks. No wicks right here. This candle. Little itty bitty wick. This one, no wick on the top, no wick on the bottom, no wick on the top. Barely any wicks right here. This one already made it inverse. You can see that. This one's a lot weaker than GU. You know, the low down here to get down there is a lot weaker. SPX. Yeah, we're moving good on these. Let's go back up to the 15. Moving decently. Let's go to the 1 hour here on this. It's having those wicks, those rejections. So yeah, we're just gonna wait, honestly. Nothing else better to do than just wait. See what price gives you. Just waiting here is probably one of the best bets. Again, just waiting. You don't want to be entering strictly off of these confluences yet. You want to get more confirmation and build a strong conviction around the trade idea if you do get one. Dun 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 dun. So we're just gonna be chilling here, honestly. I mean, there's nothing wrong with chilling, right? We're dropping to that. We're just hitting the lower side of it. We're hitting that discounted side of the consequent encroachment of the BISI. So like the lower quadrant is discount, higher quadrant is premium. It could be anything, you know, from a buy side imbalance to a sell side imbalance. We're still inside. We're still respecting it. These 5 minute candles take a while to print, so it could be a while for you to see this become inverse, and like just have a little retracement. Some days, you know, you won't get that. Some days price will be strongly one sided, and it's gonna move in that direction. You know, leave a breakaway gap or have a measuring gap, and that's it. That's it. You know, just move strong. So we never got the hourly breaker I was watching to see form. The hourly candle looked like a wick. You can see there's a big wick to the upside. We'll look at some cryptos here. We'll wait for this. I'm gonna come back to this, guys. Don't worry. So for right now, though, we're gonna go look at BTC, of course. I tried to short BTC, didn't go so well. I'll take that off here. We entered around here, and then eventually took a partial and we moved our stop, and then we eventually got stopped out. I didn't have even enough capital inside of it, so I don't know if I want to trade BTC shorts. I don't know if if it's worth it, honestly, here. But we're still inside that monthly SIBI, bro. Like, we're heavily strong right now. Weekly BISI here, another one right here. We never came. We left those unfilled. Those might be breakaway gaps later on in life. We might come in, revisit them eventually, you know. But yeah, I don't think we're gonna get there yet, honestly. Consequent encroachment of the wick, tapped up into it. Take this off here. Breaker, BISI, inside inverse. That's like 3 confluences right there. If we come back down, heavy to the upside, I bet. Solana. Again here, this one too, you know. This is buy side imbalance, push up, order block created, came back down, retested it multiple times. Monthly SIBI, weekly SIBI too. We were inside of that, so it's like a consequent encroachment of the monthly with the weekly. I have a BISI on the weekly. I can see us coming back down to that maybe if we come down in the rally. But we do have multiple ones of the buy side imbalances, so probably using SMT here on these charts would be the best bet for crypto right now. XRP, one that I was watching and trade, honestly. We got that sweep, came down, retested it again, and then a rally. Now we have that sell side imbalance. We tapped into it twice. You can see that here, and we just couldn't get anywhere near consequent encroachment of the wick. I'm gonna delete that right now because we could use these now. We can use this one or this one. I would prefer this one since it is a little bit longer and it went a little bit below the buy side imbalance on the weekly. We did respect the buy side. Or we could use this consequent encroachment right here, you know. Come down, tap into that in a rally. Same with the premium wick here on this one too. So like both sides really, this is like a big wick. But again, we had that inversion with the buy side, so I would want to see this lower quadrant be unfilled. Left it for this candle right here. Don't even come near it, you know. Just come to consequent encroachment rally, and then eventually come up to the upside. That would be my best bet. Take out the premium wick, consequent encroachment here, and then eventually I'll be fully out on the sidelines. So yeah, that's pretty much it for XRP. Let's go to linked USD spot. Okay, yeah. I haven't done my analysis on this one. Yeah, I can clearly see from the get-go here what a sell side imbalance right there that is formed pretty much on the daily time frame. Pretty much clean as day, you know. It's clear as day. So you're gonna watch to see if that holds. If not, then make it inverse. We are creating another one right here. So I'm gonna be watching to see how we close in 4 hours on the 4 hour time frame. We have what? A buy side imbalance. Another one right here. I don't see any other ones, but I would have wanted to see a breaker here for maybe breaker, and then we push buy side here. I don't think we have reached that yet, so mark that out right now. Our buy side. I think we have reached it, so yeah, purged it, and then the rest of the drop. So we have another little busy here, so watching to see if we can come and tap into that. I would have wanted to be a not an inversion created. Would have wanted to see it hold and probably make this inverse because we are to the upside, of course. So that's kind of why. Then of course I'm gonna make this. We'll mark it out with the horizontal. Really, this is what I'm watching here, man. Crypto. I think I'll trade this one for futures contracts. It isn't too much, and I won't be able to leverage too much. You know, just use some good leverage and risk a good amount, and then it's a smaller amount. BTC. I couldn't even trade that, man. I couldn't even trade that. It was like 30, and like with contracts, future contracts, that's so much, bro. It's a lot. Not really a lot, but like the risk reward, especially with the leverage, you don't even make much. You get the risk like what, like 50x leverage just to make a couple bucks. It's not even worth it, bro. I'd rather trade something like this. These ones, of course, lower and they have lower volume, but they're really good to trade. Honestly, I'm not against them. I'm perfectly fine with trading them. They're my best bets here, honestly. They're my best friends to make or scale a good amount using future contracts, risking a good amount, and having a good amount of leverage too, and to make it. I'm not against that. There's nothing wrong with making money with trading something that is not worth much, So trading is sometimes. So here we have a breaker on this one. This is kind of what I like to see on the 4 hour here. So then we have the breaker right here. We are running right through it, so to me it seems like we are a little bit bearish if we do close below it. So on the 4 hour, I need to mark that out. 4 hour breaker here. She better not fall. It's over.
Huh?
She falls, it's over.
I went down the stairs like this.
No way.
Yeah, bro. She has really good balance. I should be really, really careful. Yeah, watch I'm gonna fall down here. She's like, he took me back to my owner's place and shit. My owner and shit. Like, you're a Hokage, nigga, and I'm like in her eyes, nigga, you're a Hokage, and I'm a fucking, Asani and shit.
Look at her.
Cause like, right, it's like Hokage and like Sun, like what is, fucking like, Urimachu and shit, and then like, Pervy Sage and shit, cause they're not Hokages, nigga. Remember,
Yeah.
like the tier under, what are they called?
Sunny.
Huh?
Sunny.
Asani is right? Asani? That's what I am, nigga. Like, you're Hokage.
And then it's Ambus.
Yeah, nigga. Like, he sees you like she sees you like a fucking Hokage. Like, she sees that as a Hokage, nigga. She sees you as a fucking, like what you said right now?
Sunny?
Asani, and I'm a what?
You're an
I'm
Ambu.
like the spy niggas.
You're the Ambu Black Ops.
I'm the spy nigga.
You're the
I'm like,
Ambu. You're the Ambu.
yeah. I'm like fucking, I'm like the Kashi niggas.
That's tough.
Hey, you think Kakashi would have been strong if we had another red eye and shit?
He only needs one.
Why?
Because he's too strong already.
But then also, like, it goes over his energy.
Yeah. It's tired with one.
Nigga, but I like him a lot, nigga, cause like he reminds me of like I don't know, nigga. He's dope, nigga. And, like he's not like the best or like the most talented and shit, but like he be like utilizing his like superpowers and like.
He be copying everybody else, bro.
Huh?
He copies everybody else.
But still, like you gotta understand, nigga. Like he's brain smart though. Like that's what I like about him, dude. Like he be like. Even though like he don't have like enough like chakra or like a lot of energy, a lot of superpower and shit like the rest of them, like he still can like whoop you by using his brains and shit. Nigga just he's like, oh, that's the fucking ninja superpower resistance shit. Like he knows he reads you already.
He reads you.
Because like he knows what most ninjas are, nigga, right? Like most like with the orange shit, like when he sees you, she's like, oh, he just reads with the chakra, nigga, just with his What is it?
But he doesn't use it. He has it like that.
I know, but like he's no, but I'm saying like he's smart. Like he's a copycat ninja. Like he knows everything about every fucking ninja, you know?
Yeah, every spell.
Every spell, everything, yeah, nigga. And then like if he sees it and shit, he can copy it too.
He knows every jutsu, bro.
Huh?
He knows every jutsu.
Exactly, nigga. That's how good he is. Look at this little bitch right here. You spoiled ass little girl. You know that, Mocha? You're a spoiled ass little brat. She's my lady. She looking at me, nigga. She be my lady.
All right, so we never made this inverse. That's a little unfortunate, honestly. I would have wanted us to make it inverse. So to me, Euro doesn't. If Euro drops and makes it a lot more of a selling pressure sell program, I'll be looking to watch this inverse to make this order block here down close, and up close order block. These are just continuing to just range bound. Dixie going up, but of course it's breaking those lows and it's continuing to drop. Continue up, then eventually drop eventually on these. See that happening, honestly. So you can see that Euro's dropping now. So maybe, you know, waiting for this right here, waiting for this, honestly, for me. Just waiting for confirmation is probably the best bet here. Waiting for a change in steady delivery is the best bet. Just taking it day by day, you know what I'm saying? It's a fun experience taking it day by day. So we're bouncing off that previous week high. I want to just make it inverse and use it to what? Push higher. Make us push higher. Highs and lows can be used as inversions. I noticed on the higher time frame, like the daily, the weekly, mainly on the daily, or sometimes like 4 weekly candles. Whenever we're having a reversal, we tend to chop, like back and forth of a range, and then eventually we go in that direction we were intended to go. Like this weekly, you know, on the weekly here, like the low for Euro and GU, you know, we chopped around for like 3 weeks, 2 weeks, back and forth, and then eventually we went to the upside. I remember in the summertime too, you know, we chopped for a couple of days and then eventually we dropped. To me, you know, that's a signature of price where the smart money reversal happens on the higher time frame, and that's something I'm trying to work on, especially just reviewing the charting. I noticed we chop and then eventually we drop, or we go higher, you know, we go in that direction. And yes, a big smart money reversal, you know, at those areas. I'm not trying to catch the top or the bottom, but I'm just trying to have my mind trained to where I can anticipate it and then see the change in the steady delivery and then us going in that direction. Because sometimes I get married to a bias or a narrative where I expect price to continue in that one-sided direction and not have that smart money reversal. And I'm just training my eye to get used to it and just get better, you know. But we're close to making this inverse, and I would want to see that happen now, probably in the next couple of minutes. Same with EU, just drop a little bit more or hold it below the inverse, or you can reprice into it and then drop. I wouldn't be against that for right now, but I'll use the restroom. I'll be right back. Alright, so we're almost there. We're almost there, man. We're almost there, ladies and gentlemen, to getting to have a change in the state of delivery to push price in the opposite side of the market, or the opposite direction. No trades here for me, honestly, right now. Not even today. You know, just controlling myself. Less is better, you know, controlling how many trades I take. That's one thing I need to control, you know. Taking only A+ setups, because I already know what an A+ setup looks like. And so, just taking only that. I don't want to take anything other than that. And, of course, that's it, really. You know, just like reducing the amount of trades I've taken. I take way too many trades. And if you're taking way too many trades, you're most likely to lose. You lose more. So it's not worth it. So, yeah, we're dropping now, honestly. That's a good indication here. It's a good indication to me, honestly. I think lower prices might be here. See, we're about to hit that buy side imbalance with the volume imbalance there. I don't think it's a volume imbalance. I kind of see it as that, but I just can't. Just because there's no wick on the candle that made the low of the BISI. I am a disciplined, patient, and stoic trader. 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 I persistently pursue my fullest potential every day. I persistently pursue my fullest potential every day. I persistently pursue my fullest potential every day. What's up, Tusi? What's up, gang? What's up, bro? How you doing? Hey, I saw the ETH trade. Crazy, bro. Crazy upside. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know why I'm trying to short BTC, bro. We're strong. What's wrong with me? But I'm looking at FAO USDT right now with the SMT with Solana. I already did my analysis on it. I'm watching GU though. I want to see him, you know, make this inverse and then we drop more. But for crypto, where is it? Linked USDT. I'm watching Linked and daily Sibi, you know what I'm saying? Daily sell side imbalance. But again, we're still strong bullish. 15-minute. Nah, let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour, we have another one, buy side imbalance. We pushed up, reaching for the buy side, and after that, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna see what happens. So I'm gonna go back to the GU. Watching to see what happens here on this one. If we continue to drop, maybe. My friend is popping off with Solana. My strat works with it too. I see more upside potential. I'd love to hear that. You see more upside for Solana or what? Solana's strong, bro. That shit's crazy. So we're just dropping here. We're gonna make another sell center balance. We're dropping here heavy. I just started backtesting my shorts. Only shorted once, but started implementing my stat the opposite way. It is looking promising. What are you talking about? Your strategy? Which strategy is it? The imbalances or imbalances in liquidity or what? My doggy here. Sibi being created right now. We're hitting the Bishi. Trading both sides, honestly, that's kind of why you wouldn't be on sidelines. If everybody gets in equilibrium, that's what's up. I think that's like the most equilibrium is like very underrated. Very, very underrated. I don't see a lot of people using it. It could be ranges, it could be fair value gaps, it could be wicks, it could be whatever. Just equilibrium is powerful. Or quadrants too. Quadrants are powerful too. What do you plan on trading next? Ethereum? Plan on trading some ETH? You love ETH, bro. That's crazy. ETH is how do you add the tech stuff on the top of your chart? That's an indicator. It's called I don't think I got it on here. I got it on here though. It's 2. I think this was called 2. I don't know what it's actually called, but it's 2 and then nah, that's what, damn, I don't even know. It was from Todd Gary, something like that. From him right here, Todd. Let's go look it up. I think it's from him. Or you could put like right here, watermark, quote, name, time frame, and date. Todd Gary's. Here you tap that. You see it says 2. I don't know why it's like that, but yeah, it shows you put your little quote and then your symbol, your name, time frame, date. You can hide the border, change the colors and all that. You can make it the center top, normal, and all that. I had another one. It was AgFX, but I don't like that. I like this one more. Looking at a link now, but ETH, bread and butter. Yeah, you got I think a lot of people trade too many markets, and they need to focus on one. If you get good at one market, bro, and you understand that market, you just dominate that market, bro. You can read it easily. That's something I need to do, but I just can't do that. I'm addicted to looking at other markets. That's bad though. That's bad. I like my attention is all scattered upon different markets, and I just need to focus on one. Put all my focus and energy in one market, and just just trade it all day, or every other day, and get really good at trading it. But Link, you're looking at Link right now. There's Link. I was looking at Link, File USDT, all these. I guess they're just going to the upside. They're finally catching up from Solana. Solana was just pumping. Solana just pumped, man. After what my boy Sam Bankman-Fried right here did all the damage right here. But yeah, no, we're chilling right now, honestly, on this. Not too bad, honestly. It's not bad, honestly, Watch the forex pairs, see we're dropping. We're dropping heavy on these. This 15-minute time frame. So we're dropping. We'll take this off here. Same with this one, we'll take this off. There's like no point in having it. I'm just waiting for them to continue dropping. I don't know, I don't feel like taking a trade today. I don't feel like it. It's because I take too many trades, and I realize that, sometimes it doesn't align with my model. So I'm just trying to see trades that are just following my model, strictly to the model, just there, And it's completely one-sided, I can see myself taking that trade in that direction. There's nothing gonna hold it back, and that's something I'm trying to work on here. For this trade, if I take a trade here, I can't see myself. We have all this right here, all this and this imbalance, and this will be an objective. This one right here too, but how we get there's gonna be a while, plus the time aspect too. It's gonna be hard to get down there. It'll be very hard to get down there, honestly. So we're just gonna chill. I'm always tempted with forex, to be honest. The futures 100 times better. The fundeds are 100 times better than futures. Yeah, they're just there's too many though for me. There's way too many. See, we're dropping heavily. Keep up the SMT videos. I see you almost at 1K. Although, bro, the thing about that is I've been trying to get better at just making the videos. I'm trying to get better at script writing and just editing. That's why. And then that's kind of why too, That's pretty much it, really. I just been trying to watch videos, learn about that, and then eventually I'm gonna implement what I learned Of course, before that, I gotta like experiment, test the videos. I'm not gonna upload them yet, and that's what I've been doing. Cause you know your videos are what get the subs, you know. So I'm just trying to get better at that. I'm trying to get better at content creation. Like just I don't know, just script writing, planning the video, making it like just a lot more like something I would watch, you know, something more professional. And then of course I'm doing like research on altcoins. I got all my research on altcoins right now. I got a whole folder of that shit, bro. Like it's crazy. Crypto research. Like I got everything over here, man. I need to review the notes too. I need to stop watching so many videos. There's just too many. There's Dex tools, and then eventually, what's the other one? It's Dex screener. So like 2 decks, and it's new pairs, live new pairs. All these. You see my watch list? Yeah, on CoinMarketCap. Where's it at? Where even is CoinMarketCap? I don't even got it on here. I think. I don't even got it on here. I need to put it on there. Accept all cookies. Tron is something I've been looking at it. I've been like, damn, Tron is crazy, bro. What is on the daily? What is this on? One. Binance is a cool coin too. Top 3 are in that. I would not trust Tron. Why? Tron? You don't trust Tron? Tron is crazy, I won't lie. What else? BNB Binance, the Binance coin. You can trade it, but I'll never see buy it. What? I can't see the thing. I'll never say buy it. Oh, you can see trade it but never buy it. Okay, I'm tripping. BNB coin just rallied. You see that? Just at 254, then 250, then 260. 7% in one day. That's crazy, bro. It's crazy how much it's moving. BNB coin, Pancake swap. What? Pancake went up. What is going on? You see this? Pancake swap. It's my boy Luke Belmar. Luke Belmar, bro. I remember he was talking about it. He got it tatted on his neck too. He said he got it in like early at Pancake swap. Like early. You see that? Damn, this has been dropping. The only baby moves now? Yeah. I heard like, damn, holy shit. This shit went all the way up there and he was already like in here. He put like 250k right here. Shit went up to the fucking moon. You got in early. No, that's what they said. That's what they were saying, you know, like all these altcoins take a while, or like they're lagging behind Bitcoin. And the season hasn't started yet, so it's like probably December through like spring. So I'm gonna be waiting for that, honestly. I'm gonna try to like put more bread into my my Uniswap account for altcoins, but I don't even want to see myself trading altcoins. I want to trade more futures right now, you know, perpetuals. Next year's ship's gonna be crazy. I got the ability to join Capital Club tomorrow, but to be honest, I probably won't join. I would check out the BTC-D chart. No, oh, you got the email to whatchamacallit, the email, to play the game or something like that. I was about to join too. I was like, man, should I join Capital Club and shit? I was like, I got nothing to offer, you know. I'm just gonna be in there learning, and yeah, I think it would be a great experience. But you know, I want to meet him. I want to meet the man. I don't want to be a part of his little club. I want to meet the man. Let him know my name. But yeah, no, it would be a good experience being in there eventually. Probably later on in life. It's really just courses and a Discord, yeah. Just networking. That's what I see it. Courses and networking. I mean, it's good, but if you don't have nothing to offer, I don't think you're really gonna contribute too much. And it's not even like it's like the lower side of it. The VIP one is a lot better. He said it's like 15k a month for VIP, and then eventually like the one there everybody's trying to join it now. It's like the lower side of it. So there's a bunch of courses, a Discord, I bet, here and there. You know, it's not like the full experience where you just get to talk to like the highest level of the levels. Probably gonna be like talking to moderators, courses, here and there, connecting to other people. I guess wouldn't be bad, but not my type of thing. You know, I'd rather be at the top. All right, so we're just watching this. But I'm gonna go back to the Coinbase market cap. I'm gonna go look at the thing, the BTC-D chart, and I forgot to close it out. Where even is Dex? What was that on? I think Dex was BTC-D. See if they have it. Is it on? I don't even think it's on here. It's on what? Token. No, not a token sniffer. Dex screener. It's not on this. Am I bugged? I think I'm tripping, guys. You can't really get most of the videos there for free, but a Discord ain't really worth 400. Oh, you can get most of the videos there for free. Oh no, yeah, you can get most of the videos there for free, but a Discord worth ain't really 400. A Discord, yeah. I've seen people do more, you know. I've seen a couple more, you know what I'm saying? Like they do monthly, like that much, 100 every month, just for a Signals group. But his is not it's like a course, really. It's not even a Signals group. It can be, I think, you know, if he puts trade signals and all that. 15K a year. You can invite it to Spain and shit for yacht trips. Oh, only on Trading View. Okay. No, yeah, the VIP is definitely worth it. It'll be a lot better than anything else, honestly. So yeah, we're already up 50%. The other ones were lagging behind. Three of them, no, they don't have one right. Crypto cap. Yeah. How do I get it? Okay, I got it. So we're 52% what we originally started at. It's not bad, honestly. This one's up 50. I think ETH was like 20, and then Solana was 20% on both. I don't know how I can see it. I was looking at somebody else's thing. Let me go find it real quick. It's in my notes. It was right here. My boy right here. Money ZG. So yeah, Bitcoin was up here. This was like November though. So Bitcoin's like at strong. Solana right there. Solana's that one. Ethereum's that one too. So we're like near 2030. Matic, Solana, ADA, BNB coin. BNB coin is now starting to pump. So that's a good thing, honestly. I see it catching up eventually to the other ones. So that's what we're gonna be watching, honestly. Not bad, honestly, you know. Yeah, no, today's market day didn't look too fire. Only for the forex pairs, honestly. This right here, inverse, Sibi here. Want to see if we drop. I would take a trade here. I would have. But again, I'm trying to restrict myself from taking trades for Mondays, especially if it's not one-sided. See, we're going to the upside. It just wouldn't favor me, honestly, taking shorts. Eventually I will regret this if it does move heavy to the downside. But it is what it is, you know. So it doesn't, you know. I'm not gonna beat myself up for it. There's always plenty of trading opportunities every day, every other day, I should say, every other week. You know, there's gonna be a trading opportunity every week, every other week. If there isn't that week, you know. So not even, you know, for the market you're looking at. It can be for a different market. You can go to crypto, Go to forex, go to futures, indices, whatever. There'll always be a trade, you know, every other day, every other week. So, you know, if you miss a move, it's all good. But I was thinking about getting into altcoin season when the season starts, you know. Probably around next year, I'll be waiting for that. And try to build the capital up for it, because the gas fees, you know, the gas fees are gonna be a lot. So you can't even put, like, starting even with 100 is too much. I mean, too little. You need at least, to me, a reasonable amount would probably be 500. Just putting you like dipping your toes in the water, and then eventually putting more, like a rack or more, like 1,000 or 5,000. That would be a good amount for all coins. And then eventually, once you start getting, you know, the hang of it, and you start making profit off of them, then of course, you know, scaling more up. It's really just the gas fees though, because the blockchain right now, the Ethereum train, it's a lot right now, man. I started with 200 but borrowed another 500. Yeah, no, like 100 is too little. You need at least over 200, because the gas fees sometimes to be like 30 to 40 to 20 around there, you know. So you're only gonna you know, if it moves a couple percentages, of course you're gonna make a good amount, but you know, the gas fees are gonna eat you up. So a reasonable amount would probably be like 250. That would be a good amount. And of course, then eventually working your way up once you start winning, or once you start doing a lot more better, picking out the right coins and waiting for the right season. But I'll probably stick to futures. You know, I think futures are promising right now for me, or crypto futures, perpetuals. So we're dropping here. So we're doing pretty good, honestly. This one's coming back up now. Euro is just pretty strong. GU, oh, look at that. Look at that. That's kind of why I told you. That's why I'm not taking a trade here, man. Barely hit 102. It's jumping already. Look at that. I told you, if it's not one-sided, bro, on a Monday, I'm not trading. It's crazy. Look at this. This is why I restrained myself today. No news. Oh wait, there's news that hold on. Where are you getting this forex factor right here? I haven't got it on here. Oh, right here. Yeah, there's only news at 145 and it's 102. BNB meme coins took me from $80 to 600. God damn. That is crazy. How much of a percentage is that? Up there in funded account challenge? For a 10K, we're down 1.5. 15K, we're up 1.5. So it's like a 50-50, honestly. It goes both ways. And the reason why I'm up on the 15K more than the 10K is because I take less trades on it. That's kind of why I'm trying to restrain myself from trading. Because I want to trade both, but I want to take the best trades possible too, you know. I've been reviewing the journal, and just the trades I've been taking weren't the best on the 10K. And I only taken 7 trades. 2 were for September, 3 were from October, and 1 was from November. And that one from November made me around like 3%. It got me out of the break-even stage, and it put me up 2%. No, I think it put me up. No, I only made 2% because I was like 0.5 in drawdown, and then eventually I came up, and I'm up 1.5% right now. So it was like around 2% on the 15K. And then for the 10K, of course, we're just down 1% because, you know, we take too many trades, force too many trades. We don't stick to our model, and I take just the impulsive state. I'm not trying to be impulsive anymore. I can't be impulsive. That's one thing. I just can't be impulsive anymore, you know. It's one thing I've been noticing. It's a bad habit of mine. Damn, this shit just juiced up. I want to see if the indices juiced. Yeah, indices juiced up too, bro. Like, what is going on? What news came out, man? The bonds are not moving that much. The 10-year bonds are dropping. You see that? That's why. This shit dropped. Look at that. This shit got juiced out. It got juiced out. The bonds dropping. It's juicing out. That means dollar's dropping. Dollar's not dropping as much though. It's kind of juiced out. It's juicing up. Look at that. So juice. Everything's juiced out right now. Except for this. We'll go back to this though. Let's go to this one. Honestly, this is the one I was watching. Dixie down? Honestly, Dixie's gonna be down for a while until we reach Southside liquidity. Until we reach Southside liquidity, we're gonna be down for until we reach that, honestly. And then even then, you know, you gotta wait to see if there's a reversal that's gonna happen. If not, then we're gonna continue digging deeper. I was watching a podcast last night, and I need to continue watching it later when I go eat. That's something I've been doing. I've been watching a lot more podcasts, and yeah, just eating. I used to watch like a lot of videos, like entertaining, cool videos, like pranks, yeah, pranks and all this other stuff. Let's see. You look at U.S. oil market maker someone on the weekly. I do not see that on the weekly here. No, I'm just playing. I do see it. You see the sell side? I mean, buy side delivery to the sell side. Honestly, this would be the relative equal lows here. You could target. But on the monthly, you have to look at the monthly. What is the monthly telling you? So what? A buy model here. This is probably going to be a reaccumulation area to what? To push up. So yeah, it really can go both ways. If the monthly holds, I think we're going to go continue up. But if the weekly doesn't, or if the monthly doesn't and it drops, if this daily sell sign imbalance holds to push us lower, this right here, and then eventually these lows right here. If we close inside here and we push up, all this low resistance will be taken out, this high, and then this high will be a target. Or probably equilibrium of this to this right here. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at for US oil. I don't even trade oil, but I need to. I need to start trading commodities. I'm gonna sell hell right now. Is that a coin? Let's see. I need the contract. That's not gonna show, I bet. Self-help hell. That's what it's called. My dog is falling. Stop, you're falling. Is this one right here? Oh, it's not a coin? I'm in sell. Help. Self-help. Just I'm consuming self-help videos without action. Oh, I thought you were talking about a coin. I thought you were in like a sell. You said you're in a sell. I was like, hold on, wait, you're selling right now? Why are you selling? Wait, what coin are you selling? I was confused. I was like, wait, what is he talking? What coin is he talking about? He's in an altcoin right now. I was like, wait, let me do my analysis, or let me just look at it real quick and see what's popping with it. But you're just consuming self-help videos without action. See, you know, I used to do that. That's like really mental masturbation, and you know, it drains you after a while. After you watch like so many videos and you don't take action, you just continue to do it. You know, it's like a habit now. And I used to have that, you know. I used to consume a lot of self-help videos, and I just wouldn't take action. I wouldn't, like, I don't know, like, now I do. You know, I started monk mode right now. I'm currently on day 14, and I got, you know, 40 days to do it. Basically, I'm just, every day I have to read, journal, meditate, and study/research. I can research about any topic that helps me, you know, grow as an entrepreneur, or I can study my trades or study the notes that I've taken on those research topics that I've done. And then meditation, it could be, you know, I try to do 15 minutes every day, twice a day. Some days, you know, you're not going to be able to get 15 minutes, if I'm being completely honest. You know, as long as you do a minute of meditation, as long as you know, show up and you do it, then that's all that matters. It could be 3 minutes, 2 minutes, as long as I try to do it. But, you know, some days during the weekends, especially if there's parties and I come back home late, I try to do it early in the morning, get it over with, and then just go on about my day and do the other things, you know. And then eventually, you know, I've been reading. Honestly, I fuck with meditation, but I almost never do it. That's the thing, bro. Like meditation, like it shows you like how cluttered your mind is, like how many thoughts you have every second, and like how easily distracted you can get on a single thought. And like it's just like it's weird, bro. Like it's like a mountain of thoughts. You have this one thought and you just keep adding to it. It's like a different like layers stacked upon it, and you just keep thinking about that thing. You just add more things to think about it with that thing. It's like weird. You just see you're just like dissecting your mind, and you see how much like you can get distracted, and how many thoughts you have like in a single minute. Like it feels like, bro, I swear, like when you do like my mind, I could meditate for like 30 minutes straight. My mind just goes empty when I go and chill. Is music playing? Yeah. See, my mind doesn't. It can't go empty, bro. Like I'm constantly thinking. I'm trying to focus on my breath more and like clear my mind. But I try to remind myself, you know, like I don't try to stray away from it, you know. And like those 30 minutes, those 15 minutes, they feel so long, you know. Just it feels, you know, I think meditation for me feels like super long whenever I'm meditating. But it's really good, you know. It calms your brain down, calms you down in general. And it feels, you know, really well after you're done. I'm constantly thinking, but in some environments I can't just empty myself. Yeah, especially if you're going through a lot, you know. If you're going through something, of course, you know, you're not going to be able to, majority of the time, clean your mind or empty it, because you're going to have that thought or that you know, that thing that happened, you know, in your mind. So I just try to meditate for a little bit, and I try to journal, or I do journal every day, and I meditate every day, and then I read. I think reading's been one of the most underrated things I've done. Just try to read a book a week. Sometimes, you know, it's a little bit more. Cold showers feel similar to meditation for me. I've done cold showers since it's getting cold too, you know. That water's not warm anymore, so it's like kind of cold, but it's not too cold. Cold showers, I would rather have I want to get a cold plunge, have that there outside, and probably use that. Like go for a cold plunge every morning, wake myself up really well. Or probably after a workout. That would probably be those two. I would probably do if I had a cold plunge, probably in the morning to wake me up, or after an intense workout. One of the two. Or just maybe I'll probably just get my day started in the morning. Be outside. But if it's cold, even then, you know, even if it's cold, that should be. Yeah, I can't even imagine myself doing that. It's scary. It's intense. For like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. But yeah, the reading, I've read so many books, like I think 6 books this since the journey started here on Mukbang. I think 2 were before, and then the other 4 were when I started it right now. So I've been trying to read a lot more and get more into the habit of reading. Just cracking open a book, and I've learned a lot, you know. I like books. So I think it's underrated, cracking open books, reading about topics that interest you. Even if they don't interest you, don't read them then. Read something else. Read something that interests you, or something that benefits you, that will help you grow and develop you to whatever you're trying to pursue. So have goals in the back of your mind when you're reading. Hello, doggy, what are you doing? My lazy ass is procrastinating. Yeah, nah, I don't procrastinate anymore. I used to. I just don't anymore. I don't know what it is. I just spending my time a lot more wisely now. And just controlling my temptations. Just got rid of them, honestly. Especially like surfing the internet, you know, like watching YouTube videos, being on Discord, podcasts. Not podcasts, but like being on Discord. I don't got Twitter. I don't use it. Don't got TikTok. Don't use it. YouTube homepage, I don't even have it on my Chrome. I have it unbrowsed. I can go on Brave and watch it, but you know, I don't even go on Brave and watch it. I don't do any of that right now. You know, I'm just focused, locked in, and I'm trying to complete my monk mode fully. I probably will get into ecom probably next month. After this month ends, I can see myself probably next month starting up in ecom. I'll probably be getting ready right here last week getting ready for it, and then probably starting it up. It's probably gonna fail this first month. I'm on live. First month it probably will fail, and then of course after that too, probably around like the third month I would want to see a little bit more results. Like around in February I would want to see my results start to. I would probably have enough data 3 months to see, you know, what's working, what's not. So that's something I've been getting into. That's kind of why I want to get back into the videos. Like I need to learn how to improve my videos, because if I want to do ads or organic growth, I'm gonna have to learn, you know, how to make the best videos possible. So I'm gonna try to get really good at editing. That's one thing. I need to get good at editing, script writing, and just tags, search engine optimization, and just getting the best amount of like clicks and views. With ecom, there's so many routes you can take. If you think differently from everybody else, you will succeed. That is correct. A lot of people, you know, some people, I mean, you can use a product that's working for a lot of other people. Is really just how you market it, how you how you market it. Really is very important. Of course, you know, ecom back then versus now is like completely different. It's like more people inside of the game, so it's gonna be a lot harder to be more successful. But at the end of the day, you know, you can still be successful if you're different, if you're unique, if you're good at. That's what I'm saying. You have to be really good at like a lot of different things to be successful in ecom. That's why I'm trying to work my way with the videos. You know, for the SMT trading channel, I'm trying to get really good at editing, script writing, and just like making the video watchable from like the intro all the way to the outro. I really want to get good at that first, and then eventually go to ecom. So then whenever I make like short form content, like promoting it on like Facebook or TikTok, you know, it's gonna be very easy. And then of course making sure the product's good, the shipping rate's good, the conversion is there, you know, and the margin is there, you know, making revenue of course, and reinvesting it back into the store, and then eventually making that product, if I do get one that pops off, a brand, you know, making it a brand, getting a private supplier, and just continue to scale. Check the crypto tab in your Discord. Put an example of what I would trade off of. Alright, let's go. What is it for Ethereum? Getting your first 1K is the hardest. If you can scale SMT, you can move people into your mentorship if you turn profitable consistently. Hell yeah, bro. Right here. See, I'm slowly backtesting my strat when it comes to shorts, and my god, bro, I'm getting 1 to 4, 1 to 6, 1 to 11 to 8, 7 rules applied inversely. What's your strat? I look for sell side or buy side to be swept into equilibrium of a fair value gap. Basically, if the price disrespects the previous fair value gap, I expect it to test the next. I prefer to see price needing to break sell side lower to the fair value gap after the first one is broken to have confidence in my trade. This is just for crypto, yes. So trade example here. Use this previous swing high for a stop loss, and then we swept buy side into the fair value gap, and I enter off a little under the equilibrium. So yeah, we swept relative equal highs. We came into the fair value gap, and we hit equilibrium. Then we dropped. So yeah, that's a really good trade idea. Let's go see. I'm gonna see what you sent me. Money Talk 1, and all the new ones after our Capital Club. No way. Free sauce like that? No way. That is crazy. I had the data set ones. Where is it at? I had this right here. I watched most of them like back then. Never really after a while, you know, really didn't stop posting. It's like short clips from his old Telegram. But damn, that's free sauce right there. I'm gonna watch this, honestly. I need to start watching these, man. Honestly, these are like the new updated ones. Damn, that's crazy. He got into pancake swap too, bro. Like, I'm shook, honestly. I want to catch some shit like that, bro. Like, one that just takes me to the moon, bro. With low market cap. I'm like at least a 1% shareholder. That'd be crazy. I'm close. It ruins my internet for the stream, so I gotta close it out, man. I have too many tabs, honestly. Everything else, I think we should be good. This right here, bro. Every time I have that, it just tells me set up OneDrive. I don't need OneDrive, bro. I need to set it up though. I'm just too lazy to put my email and then start the account up. Finding crypto from 1 to 100 million market cap are all real plays. I'm saying, and like if you are like a 10% or like a 1% shareholder, bro, and it goes to like a billion market cap, you're set. You're set, bro. You're set. That is the hardest thing to do though, especially, you know, if you, I mean, some cryptos, they be honeypots, rug pulls, and you know, it's mainly just like the beginning, but after like they're set, you know, they're going. Our friend bought Casco at 17 mil and now it's at 2 billion market cap. That's the thing. Like, if I would have gotten into this space sooner, I think sooner, you know, the sooner you get into it, the better. That's why I'm doing a lot of research on different things, because the sooner you get into these things, the more better you are likely to eventually to be more successful if you continue to develop. 90% of your low caps are going to be break even or losses, but small 10% make up for everything. Yeah, especially if you hold and you're able to understand, you know, why the market and why it's trending, you know, what's trending around that crypto, you know, what big company is trending it, you know, like metaverse, AI, you know, there's so many other tokens that are just popping off because of those ChatGPT tokens, you know, just trying to find the next trend is kind of for an altcoin, I guess, or just waiting for the season to start up and catching a good move. Just another thing, you know. I got a ball imbalance right there. What else? I don't really see anything on GU really. Only this inverse, but I already got. Let me go mark it out. Never came down here either. Mark out this one up here. So yeah, it's a big range right there. We came back into it. This one, we'll mark. I'm gonna leave these since we ran right through them. So yeah, no, this one too. We pushed up to the buy side. Oh, which one's on the daily? Let's go back to the weekly. Let's mark that one out. There. Clean. I'm so bullish on IBR. Got 300 mil TVL, a 15 minute market cap, 15 mil market cap. So I'm saying 15 mil market cap, IBR. Let me go look at it real quick. That's why I'm talking. I need contract addresses, man. LBR. Oh, LBR. I'm tripping. Okay, that's probably this one right here. 10 mil liquidity 2 months ago. This is probably the most updated one. 99%. Let's go ahead right here. Nah, yeah, it's in a straight. Damn, look at this. What was this? $17. 2%, 32%. God damn. So bots, right? Yep. Bots, smart contracts. Always the bots. Deck score is good, you know, where it's not a honeypot. Buy tax, 0% sell tax. Contract verified. How many holders? 2.2%. I mean 2.2k. 10 mil liquidity, 9 mil market cap. Uniswap V2. What are the gas fees? It doesn't show it. Doesn't show the gas. Where's the gas at, man? Where's the gas? LBR showing 45 last 100 trades. High front running to holders. Let's go look at the holders. I forgot which one. I think it's Zapper now. Put Ethereum blockchain real quick. I'm tripping out. I'm bugging. It's a lot, man. It's a lot. Uniswap would probably cost 5 to 15 to buy from Uni. That's not bad. It's not bad. The gas fees aren't that bad. Do they have the website? Yeah, the web. Let's see the website. Unleash utility and LST and DeFi. The interest bearing stablecoin blocked. Backed by LST. Total yield pay 4 million. Total EUSD and PUSD in circulation 167 million. Total Ethereum LST deposits 346 million. How Libra works: Step 1, deposit Ethereum LST as collateral. Step 2, mint EUSD PUSD, mint EUSD PUSD against your collateral. So we're minting, hold USD turn interest APY 8%. That's not bad. It's higher than the USDC coin. Step 4, spend PUSD, convert PUSD, no EUSD to PUSD, and use it in DeFi protocols while they're still earning underlying interest on deposit capital, collateral, stable and secure. I like this. The website isn't like, it's really good, better than all the other ones I've seen recently. Hold EUSD to participate in earning approximately 8% base annual percentage yield. The yield is pretty high, I won't lie. Unless you get 0 interest loans, that ass. Bro, that's crazy. What are the requirements? Minimum 1 ETH. Are there any fees? 1.5 annual service fee. Can purchase 40% discount every hour you didn't use. I compare USD to USD. Only PUSD was originally converted from EUSD. Can be converted back to USD if you have a rebasing LSC as collateral asset in Libra protocol. As you can convert your PUSD to EUSD through protocol. You still get 5% on the Ethereum collateral plus 8% on the loan you take out. Just keep stacking it, keep reinvesting, man. The APY is gonna pay off. 5.83 APY right now. The yield is pretty good. The yield pay, not bad at all. They have it even on night. Oh, that is cold. This is cold. This is a cold, man. It's finance too, man. It's not. I think this is like, this is really good, honestly. So what's the daily here? I can see us having upside. Yeah, we're inside this imbalance here. This is a big rejection though. It's when it first got started in August. That is crazy. More info. Total supply, total tax. Bold with 2.86 circulation, 15%. That's not bad. 7.97 mil, yeah. Let's go to. I don't want to see if I already know. Look right here. Why is it like that? I'm gonna just check up the token. LBR. LBR Libya there. New contract. Let's see the owner. 40 tokens holding. Not available, okay. Just about to start licking the mic. Stop. Damn, 61%. Uniswap V2 holding 8%. OKX, OK KuCoin, Mexi. So that's like the four in the top four, and this is probably the, of course, the liquidity provider, the owner. It's not bad, honestly. It's not bad. You can't get rug pulled too much. I was trading view on Black Friday, sell on the monthly memberships. Oh yeah, when 4,000 fell, I buy my IBR on Uni and BingX. Uni's the way, bro. Or you can use 1 inch. I don't know which one's better. I think they're both good, honestly. 1 inch and Uni are just they're just too good, honestly. You know, you can't compete with anything else. You gonna buy IBR? Did you buy some? It was a future growing industry back in June, but all the other projects failed and DeFi all died in summer. 1 inch isn't available in the US? That's crazy. I mean, if you use the Web3, you can probably, but even then, you know, it's kind of hard. They got some hate because they added a fee thing. They added fees on 1 inch? That I thought there was like no fees for them, like the lowest fees. Hashtag Joe is an easy 10x in my opinion, like Uni but better with limit orders and other shit. This one looks so clean right here. That's why I don't trade Mondays, bro. I think I would have got faked out as soon as probably this right here. Made a market structure shift, traced and we dropped. That's what I've been expecting right here and then right here. So this I'm kind of glad I didn't take anything here. This I don't even want to take this. I didn't even plan on looking at these. Sparks would just caught my eye, but these I wouldn't even take it. Solana to the moon, bro. Shit is just juiced up. Where is the SMT? This rate is SMT right there. It's lower high and lower low. Wait for Solana or wait for Solana to catch up, maybe. Hashtag money sign Joe 10x. Let's go look at it. Why is it not letting me type? Okay. Everything is pumping. Once BTC starts going, everything's going, honestly. 31, 131, 133, I mean, market cap, 360 million circulation. That's the thing. But the thing about low market cap things, or like low market cap markets, is sometimes if there isn't enough liquidity, your orders won't get filled. And that's like sometimes the worst part. Especially like on lower ones. These, you know, there's enough liquidity in market cap for you to get your orders filled. But I'm talking about like baby altcoins, you know, like the baby ones. You can get, you know, your orders not filled sometimes. And sometimes, you know, that's not the best feeling. Check audits, alerts. TraderDough is a leading decentralized exchange on Arbitrum, Avalanche, and BNB chain. On TraderDough platform, you can swap tokens, provide liquidity and yield, farm, and also shop for NFTs at the Joe Pegs marketplace. And TraderDough Dex is powered. Check audits. Mintable. Whether the contract has a function to mint tokens. Yes. Why is it like that though? Why you? And then buy tax 0%, question mark. Let's go to the website. Let's see if this website's good. Trade, swap tokens, no fees. Pool, provide liquidity and earn fees. Stake, Stake Joe, tokens and earn rewards, NFT buy and sell. Top auto pools, AVAX with the USDC coin, Avalanche Chain, Arbitrum, and then ARB, WBTC, BTC.B, X. Popular JPEGs, enjoy your roundup of popular collections. What is this, bro? What is that? What? That is crazy. Unless you buy in 30, 50 plus, your orders are gonna be fine. Unless you are buying 30, 50K plus, your orders, yeah. If you're buying like 100K and your market cap's like a couple mil, you kind of want to be careful, you know. You want to be a little careful, you know. You want to start scaling, not all at one time, you know. Look at all this right here, man. Just juiced up. Juiced up for the market, man. Proud of myself. No trades, man, honestly. Usually my worst trading day is Monday. Or it's Monday or Friday, one of the two. I think it's worse on Friday. I think Friday's the worst day for me. Mondays, it could be a 50-50. But it's still like probably the second worst. Second worst. I feel like I don't trade enough. That's good. Don't take any, like, if you're forcing. For me, I trade too much, bro, honestly. I try to, like, I've been taking trades every day. Last week I took a trade every day, bro, and it's not worth it. You lose more when you take more trades. That's what they say, you know. You know, you lose a lot when you take too many, and of course you're gonna get the emotions or the impulses, and you're gonna feel the need to want to take the trade even though your model's not in there, you know. But if it's there, you know, take the trade, bro. You know, don't hold yourself back. That's what I've been trying to work on, just trading my model more, like not taking trades when it's not there. That's something I've been trying to work on. Or if it's not one-sided, if I can't see the market moving in this direction, I'm not gonna take the trade. You know, if I can see it going both ways, I'm not gonna take a trade. And that's something I've been trying to work on too. You know, like today, both sides, I can see this, we can come down, but eventually rally. You know, I'm not gonna take a trade. It's just both sides. It's all in part because I ruined my sleep schedule and haven't been able to wake up in time for a New York session. I think I'm 11 to 2 in the last 3 months. See, that's good, bro. You don't need to take trades every day, every week. That's what I'm trying to tell myself. Like, taking at least 10 trades a month is good. Taking, you know, at least 5 trades a month is good. You know, it's reasonable. If you're making 2 to 3% every month, that's reasonable. You know, that's a reasonable amount. That's what hedge funds aim for. But you know, it's just been programmed into society nowadays, especially in the trading community, that you have to make a certain percentage. You know, like you have to make like 10%, 20% every month trading these concepts. You know, and it's not viable. Especially if you're like new, of course. Then of course I'm trying to aim for that. You know, be reasonable. You know, and that's something I've been trying to do. Be reasonable. It's my first year trading SMC. So look, I gave futures a try, but I just can't, bro. I'm just not used to like the. I think you'd be fired with it. I just can't with futures. I tried it for a week and I just didn't like it. I think it's good. Like the spread is good. The charts are good. You know, it's very regulated by the CME, but I just can't. I like Forex. I don't know why. Like on Trade of It, yeah, I tried to Trade of It. I tried Apex funding and I failed it. It's because it was a monthly based subscription. I went crazy on it. I won't lie. And then it was only 600 drawdown. I used one contract. I got screwed. Just using one contract. I think like 3 trades and it knocked me out already. And I just didn't like, you know, how the funders are, you know, with the drawdown. And then I like the charts. I like the way it moves. I like how regulated the chart is too in the spread. And I like how you like can use TradingView to, you know, buy the order, create the new order like that, and just on futures. It's really nice. I like it. It's very optimized. Like it tells you how much you're gonna risk and how many pips and how many contracts to go in with, and it corrects it for you. But that's right. You know, I brought too many funded accounts already. I need to just stick with them, complete them, and then eventually, you know, I plan on, if I want to go back, I'll go back. You know, the futures. But I'm really just trying to get into more crypto, more into like the crypto space, to the Web3 space before it starts to pop off. You know, get in early. I'm not even in early. You know, I'm like I'm getting in late, but I'm still trying to get in. You know, I'm not trying to be left out from the party. Same with ecom. You know, I'm not trying to be left out with the party. But I'm in already late. You know, I'm better. To be honest, I feel late too. Honestly, bro, I feel late for everything, for trading, crypto, like the entrepreneur space. I feel very late on everything. I feel like if I would have learned this, I think I would have. I think if I would have wanted to learn this probably like 3 years ago when I was like barely 16. Like 16, getting to learn this when you turn 18, it's over. You're just ready. Like you paper trade for 2 years, you collect all that data, and then when you're 18, you start the life funded accounts, or you get into a personal account. You just run it up, bro. There's still a lot of ton of opportunities in crypto and ecom. You just can't do easy shit anymore. Can't be doing shitty drop shipping. Nah, yeah, you can't do that. You can't be doing that, bro. It's not. You can't make the website in one day and just expect to promote it after that. You know, you gotta get reviews from people. That's what I plan on doing. Using just I guess letting people review it, see if they like the store, see if they like the product, and then order it for myself, of course, and see if the shipping is good, and try to work on the web design for when you're about to check out, when you order the product, how to track the shipping, and all this other stuff, And then of course the website. The website's probably the most important thing for conversions. I've been practicing my photography skills and take product photos and advertise my brand. See, that's something I need to work on. I need to work on photography, but I've been trying to work on more of editing, and just like writing better scripts and making better videos. I'm gonna try to build a brand on Facebook and Instagram. Yeah, bro, that's something I was trying to work on. When I was dropshipping last year, and I just gave up because school started, and then eventually people found my store, and I felt embarrassed. I felt embarrassed. This was a good story though, but the shipping wasn't there, and I didn't want them to order the product. And nah, that's pretty much it. But it's a good handy product, It's like mobile stands. I think nobody was really selling mobile stands. And I was trying to sell them. Trying to sell mobile stands, I'm probably gonna get back into it. Probably with a different product. Probably something that's trending. Try to get something on trending, and like have a hybrid store, and then eventually scale into one product if we do find success in one of them. That's pretty much it, really. But nah, everything looks dead. The volume looks dead. The market looks dead right now. Probably PM session for this it's already started. Oh shit. I haven't even noticed we were in PM session. That is crazy. Buy side and balance institutional order flow entry drawer right here on this one. You see that? Clear as day. Tapped up, then we rallied. Clear as day. That's why the big rally came in. We tapped up, then we rallied. Same thing with this one. Watch. No, this one didn't have anything. So let's go back. These are just chopping, man. But now you gotta get that started, man. By the end of this year, get it started, build the brand, get really good, and then we can collab one day. You know what I'm saying? We can collab. I think I missed all my trades on ES and NQ, my forex pairs. I think I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow for ES and NQ session. You gotta wake up early every day, man, and make it a habit. Make it a routine. So you don't miss any. But then some days you won't get anything to trade, and those are the days where you want to go and do something else. Spend your time wisely. I'm streaming to the end of the year. That's kind of why, if I wasn't streaming right now, I probably wouldn't even be looking at the market. If I'm being completely honest, I'll probably be doing something else. Probably like more altcoin research, or like learning how to edit better on DaVinci. Make a VC on your server. I'm gonna join tomorrow and let me know what I see all through my weaknesses and intraday. A voice chat, I already have one now. I have the trading chat thing. What I see through my weakness intraday. So your weakness intraday. See, look, if your weakness is intraday, I would recommend just depends, you know, like depends on what time frames you use in intraday too. Though I guess it's a lot more than what you gave me. Honestly, it's probably like the time frames you're using, what you're seeing on those higher time frames, you're bringing it down to the lower ones. You know, price is fractal, and what you see on the daily is what you're gonna see on the 5 minute. What you see on the 5 minute is what you're gonna see on the monthly print. You know, it's pretty. Or 4 hour, 1 hour 15. My best friends. Yeah, that's what I like to hear. Those are the best time frames, honestly. I try not to go anything below the 1 minute. I mean, the 5 minute. The 1 minute, it's like if the trading day's completely like back and forth, then I'll go on the 1 minute. Or the 1 minute. Like use a 15-minute confluence and then drop it down to the 1 minute. But majority of the time I try to stay on the 5 minute and then scale back up to the 1 hour from the 5 minute. Not enough volume, yeah, no. You can't trade 1 minute on crypto right now. Yeah, no. I try to really just take trades off with like the hourly and then eventually drop it down to like the 5 and 15 and then hold it. Looks weird because it doesn't move consistently. I mean, the season hasn't started yet. I don't think so. It's because the other ones are lagging too. Once they start moving, I think everything's gonna start moving. That's when Bitcoin's gonna start just jumping. Or it's gonna drop and then jump. Either one of the two. Your live market session channel doesn't let people talk. Oh shit! I need to fix it then. I think it does. I think I muted it for some reason. I'll go fix it real quick. Yeah, it does that. You channel. Let's go speak video. What activity party speaker? Let's go enable links on the channel there. 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 That should help you. That should help. Boy George, man. Let's go see there. You can hear? Alright, there we go. Let me turn my music down. There we go. Can hear you nice. Can you video? You can video share too, right? I think, yeah. Share screen. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, it works.
Yo, I think the mic you have set for Discord is different than your stream.
Oh yeah, it probably is. Good. Voice and video. That shit, nah, it's not. But it's just like I know it sounds weird. I already know. It just, yeah. There we go. No, yeah. No. Okay, there we go. I think this should be better. I think. No, turn it down a little bit more. Right there. I gotta save this. No, I don't. I think that should be a little better. I don't know yet. I'll probably have to fix it tomorrow.
Yeah, the stream sounds good, but I don't know, it's a little staticky, I think.
Yeah, that's probably them. Damn. No, this happened. I think when I was on video chat with somebody, they was telling me the stream wasn't not the stream. It was the mic. They thought it was my PC mic or my monitor mic or something.
I definitely gotta wake up early tomorrow.
Yeah, if you wake up.
ES and IQ.
Alright, no, yeah. If you wake up tomorrow, I'll see what you're looking at, and then I'll tell you what I'm looking at, and then eventually we can just see what happens.
Yeah.
But
It's gonna be dope.
no, yeah, it's gonna be dope. It's like just market open. I think I'm gonna be up streaming already. So I'm gonna just see. We're gonna see.
My aim for 7:30. Texas time, I think is what it is, Central.
Yeah, Central Time.
Yeah.
7:30.
5:30.
Damn. That's Cali time.
Yeah.
Damn. Nah, but I'm about to end the stream and then I'm about to go watch some podcasts.
Alright.
I'll see you tomorrow, right?
Alright.
Just ping me when you're in here, and
Oh,
I think I'll be in here already. As soon as the stream starts, I'll join up.
bet.
All right, bet.
Alright.
Peace. All right, chat. I think I'm gonna end the stream here. Main reason why is because the volume is dying down, and then PM session, of course, is dying down too for Monday. There's news coming out for government bailing on Forex, so I don't want to be around for that. I want to go eat, relax, take my little break, and then eventually go and start doing my research on video editing, and then eventually come back tomorrow and stream. But shout out Tusi. Tomorrow we're gonna be in the Discord. If y'all want to join up the Discord. We're gonna be in a call. Everybody's gonna be able to talk, speak, share the screens, what they're showing or what they're seeing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm in the stream here. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'm out.